Slice it beautifully and put it here. Look at it. This is our cube sandwich.
Oh,
Let's make Olivier salad sandwich and chicken corn salad sandwich. First thing first, as usual, cut your onion. You're about to marinate our chicken, at least half an hour. Meanwhile, we are making our beautiful buns, cause I'm gonna serve it with burger bun. It's a bit weird, I know, but I like it. In another video, I will show you how to make these bad boys. Cook the chicken with your favorite spices. Mine was some turmeric, black pepper, and lots of salt. We have our chicken cooked. Make it with some onion, garlic, and some spices. As I told you, some boiled potatoes, I have 3, and 1 whole can of peas, half of carrot, also boiled eggs, 4 of them, and this beautiful sweet corns and lots of pickle. As you can see, homemade mayo plus always Kewpie mayo. It's my favorite. And your favorite spices. We need shredded chicken. As you can see, you can make it with 2 forks, or you can cheat and make with your hands. Don't eat that. Bring your potatoes. Time to dice it. But first, peel it off. Easily. Don't eat.
oh, shit.
Boil your eggs not more than 11 minutes, and after it boils beautifully, put it into the cold water or ice water, and it peel off like this. Smooth like a butter. Don't eat that. Alright, carrot, slice and cut. We did the mise en place and we prepared everything. Time to mix all of that ingredients together. Bring a bowl, dice your potatoes, and few of them you can use grater. So you have 2 texture potatoes inside of your salad. Same technique for boiled potatoes. Add your shredded chicken plus your peas and lots of mayo plus your homemade mayo. Season it generously. Add chili if you like. Your favorite spices can be garlic powder, onion powder, anything you like. This time you can use your hands. Mix it beautifully. Season it again. Add the pickle, remaining peas, and carrot for the color. Again, mix it. Not too much, not too hard. Olivier salad done. Time to make chicken and corn salad. Again, lots of pickles, chicken, corn, lots of mayo. Season it with salt, pepper, your favorite spices, pickles, and garlic. It's the secret ingredients. Mix it very well, and it's ready to go. Alright, now the moments of truth for these 2 beautiful recipe I have. Chicken salad sandwich. This is the Olivier sandwich, and the other one was chicken and corn salad sandwich. It's so simple and homemade. If you are a pro cook, You don't need this recipe. Definitely you have your own chicken salad sandwich recipe. All right, I'm gonna assemble it because we are so hungry and we want to dig in. Okay, these beautiful buns, I will show you in another video how I made it. And slice it beautifully. Okay, look at it. You can take a little bit of that so you have a space for your sandwich. And that's it, not too much because all of the parts are delicious. All right, you can choose one of this beautiful lettuce, break it and put it here. Okay, and put the generous amounts of Olivier salad. Oh my god, look at it. And a bit more, always a bit more. And let me put this one here. And this is our cute sandwich.